Hello friends and YouTube earnings related and video for this make information. Hi friends, good evening. New information for insurance. This is different and insurance information. Fraud apply and to each and documentary and to clarify. Insurance different who want. Main type policies and the rule and regulation. Rule regulation. What is insurance? Insurance is contract responsibility by policy is which the policy holder receive financial projection or requirement again lost and from insurance company. This company hold candidate risk and make loss from insurance company. The company more affordable for this requirement. The most people in some insurance there are care their house, their health care and their life. Health insurance policy handles against physical loss resulting in the accidental injury. Proper demand insurance also hope cover costs accident eligible legal responsibility demand injury eligible to the third party care for this informative by the party and care is in this age 80 than 55 and 60 key take away insurance the candidate policy in which the carrier demography other and against loss in the space candidate and the party and the rule regulation. And there are two type insurance for information health home where this making and come common from the insurance most and the company and the makeup for insurance regulation the programming disable policy limit insurance contact a contact which on individual in the entry pay in the insurance company in the charge in the physical projection and the remand requirement in the losses result from a curable event. How insurance make what the insurance policy type in the available actual in the individual business can fund in the insurance company will be in the insure them the insure common person insurance policy type in the auto health home home owner United States and last in the type in the insurance company state stood for requirement and this company for BR help people find answer solve problem and get in the way business between the insurance policy field taking money is the space establishing the example fast food requirement policy and cover example employee the manager cooking and the deep flyer medical in multiple insurance covered generally health debt and related indemnity claim result in the farm and the can do really in insurance business and requirement by state and the life state insurance covered by two from information also insurance policy available this is stepable insurance requirement to identity gift insurance and careful and the insurance company insurance policy companies understand the insurance company working help choosing policy for the distance and covered by did not right type this all auto insurance with this company and information type the policy information limit and discoverable and premium a premium this premium at FT cable in the month on the careful on the multiple faculty auto count premium for information this in the laws mostly happened in this rule and regulation age and amount for this farm identity auto insurance premium history property and the claim and the claim and the insurance company that when they were stable Home insurance premium are valued in the professional valuing the location, claim history, and the covered almost. Health insurance premium age, sex, location, health state, covered level. Life insurance premium age, sex, tobacco use, health and amount coverage. Medical for different turn to purchase for insurance risk risk claim company for projection and the risk for claim example sponsor on the civil constable automatically in the have on the risk level and driving this cause in the like for this mode policy someone with single median sudden way down driving perfect for rule regulation information for this insurance company for information are not now informative in the company or regulation. Policy limit and maximum amount insured in the covered loss. Maximum two are this. Two are this informative by and rule regulation and this informative by and for informative by maximum age annual policy term follows January under policy lifetime maximum information for this informative for this insurance companies why and rule regulation freedom affordable car act AC compatible company introduce a max and lifetime limit health care such in the plan and stable care discriminant to want bill taken and example 1,000 disable money are to pay and 1,000 keyword two word any claims sponsor claim discount to 200 or to $1,000 insurer pay to reminder 1,000 deduct by apply policy claim difference into insure type for discrimination policy informative by co-current term policy type policy insurance many different to this insurance life look most information regulation and this taking from insurance by informative and this loss for informative home insurance insurance owner also now insurance perfect party and against to demand left and the homemaker insurance covered and allowed into insurance for informative by the insurance auto information to play help demand and structure interested pay by perfect auto accidental demand to annual equivalent company and most I have provided by money or life insurance and life insurance carefully and this time in this information my YouTube channel and information tip by for this company and rule regulation and this informative by for information this video contact and description one contact by my link and to this page and also thank you for video watch new subscribers and viewers and good day thank you bye bye good night goodbye.